Hello, in front of me I have Xiaomi Redmi Watch 3 and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the side button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the settings icon and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, let's scroll down, find the option called display and select it. And here you should see the option called brightness. Tap on it. And now we can adjust the screen brightness by swiping up and down on the brightness slider. Adjust the brightness to your liking, and once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. And that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.